All right, everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about how I'm using this new indicator that we have in Trade Ideas that you've probably seen a little bit on the channel already called the Money Machine to help me with my longer term trading. Now, this is designed and it's going to be something that's going to help traders kind of automatically scalp the market based off what's strong at that moment, which will be great for shorter term traders and it'll be great for um, people who want to be very systematic about their short-term trading, which I think is definitely a great thing. Take a lot of emotion off the bat, but we're still testing that. We're still building that out. So how can we use it right now, today? So today there was a big CPI report. If you know weren't if you were living under a rock, you didn't notice. I woke up, I scrolled through Twitter, everyone was talking about big CPI print. So what I want to do as a more discretionary when it comes to my longer term trading and just trying to figure out the market as a whole, I can use something like this, not for the short term day scalps that are kind of happening from it, but what I did is I pointed at a list. So I'm here in the web version. You can point the money machine to whatever list you want. I've pointed it to my own ETF list. You can see a whole bunch of ETFs here. I still love this feature that as you scroll over stuff, it pops in. But I'm just kind of watching and I'm seeing what's happening and what's moving at the moment. And that's giving me a more of idea of what large market participants think of what's happening in this kind of CPI type print environment. So, first of all, the change from the close hasn't really moved much. We haven't really done much up or down on that one. But moving intraday, which is what this raise is doing, right? It's printing money, which is good. It's what we want to see from the money machine. And it's focusing a lot on commodity stocks. So we're seeing NLR. I saw that through here a few times. It's a nuclear ETF that I watch. UNG, which is natural gas. That's been moving as well. And Block, not so much a commodity here, but has to do with data transmission and data sharing. So just because you're seeing these numbers kind of flash on the screen for short-term trading doesn't mean you have to use them for short-term trading. My plan for this entire CPI day is to leave this open and to watch it and see where it's making money and where it's losing money, because that's going to tell me where money is flowing into the market because we've had this massive news event. And I think that could set up themes for the next couple days. So if I continue to see money flowing into all of these commodities, then great. I'm going to focus on those commodity type names. I'm going to really drill into those to kind of make sure that those make sense. That I like the charts, that things are setting up correctly. And then in the end of the day, I know where all of the funds, all the hedge funds have been putting their money based off of this relative strength system. The idea behind relative strength is just that we're just following the big money flow, right? So right now it looks like it's commodities. Watch it with me going into the end of the day. If you haven't tried this, if you don't have a copy of Trade Ideas, link is in the description below. Check that out. See you guys later.